Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, we will be installing WeatherTech floor mats into my 2022 Toyota Tundra. Let's get into it. So before the super easy install into the Tundra, I just wanted to mention a couple things right now. So WeatherTech on their website, I'll leave the link down in the description, but WeatherTech on their website only has the front floor mats for the Tundra. I called them and I asked, hey, do you guys have any for the rear? I know that it's not on your site, but did I miss something? And they said no, they are waiting for the hybrid model. So they're waiting for the hybrid to come out just because they're not sure if this area is a little bit bigger for the hybrid and how much room it will take up, and also the exhaust fan that's right here for the hybrid model. They just want to make sure that all their stuff is good first before they release the rear seat. But nonetheless, for me, that's okay because I don't have people that sit in the back seat of my truck that much. But I did pick up the front floor mats that we'll install right now. All right, so install is super easy. I already vacuumed and cleaned up my spot because I never had the OEM floor mats. So just go ahead and set it down here, go up under the pedals, push it forward, push down right here where these locking tabs are, go ahead and turn them, and it's installed. Super easy. And here's a closer look at them install, guys. You can see here that the WeatherTech mats actually come up onto the plastic. The reason I didn't pay for carpet floor mats or the all-weather floor mats from Toyota is because for some reason they stop them like right here. They stop it right on this lip of the carpet, like right here. They stop them right there, and then you still get crap all up in that carpet right there, and you would still be stepping on the plastic. So this will obviously morph down over time as the truck heats up and the interior heats up, but it comes across this nice kick panel right here, so that's protected. As you can see, my foot's been resting on it, so I need to clean that up. So it protects that, goes up the little resting spot for you to put your foot, and then it goes up the side of the carpet too on the transmission tunnel, comes back towards the seat. Basically everywhere that you would put your feet, it is protected, and then hopefully this will go down and morph down over time. But yeah, that's it fully installed on the driver's side. Let's go ahead and do the passenger side. Okay guys, and the passenger side is installed. Again, hopefully this will go down over time. I don't see why it wouldn't because it's just been in the box for a while, but for the most part, with it being in the box, it conformed to the Tundra really well. Again, it goes up on this kick panel, so I've kicked that, or my wife's kicked that too while she's been in the vehicle. But yeah, locks in place, no issues, goes up the side right here and goes up pretty good in the front too. So eventually when WeatherTech comes out with ones for the rear seat, I'll get those as well. Follow up with you guys on how the front ones are holding up with weather conditions and Florida sand and all that stuff. So stay tuned for those videos. If you guys are new around here, definitely consider subscribing. Returning subscribers as always. Appreciate your guys' support, and I'll catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.